please.
I turned it off. I'll turn it all the way down too, so we don't have any. There.
All right. Looks like we are live. Harmony, good morning. It's Keith.
Good morning. How's your day starting off?
Harmony, good morning. It's Keith. Sorry about that earlier.
Good morning,
worries
Keith.
at all.
No
How can I
worries
help
at
you
all.
today?
How can I help you today?
All right. Why is there two?
I don't know.
I'm
It
not
seems
quite
like
sure
your
what
message
you
got
mean.
cut off.
Could you
All
want to
right,
give it
hang on.
another try?
Yeah.
Sure. Go ahead.
Let's go ahead and cut that conversation off.
Got it. Let's switch topics. What's on your mind?
Are you still there, Harmony? Okay. Let's bring her back up again. All right, let's try this again. Good morning, Harmony. How are you doing? We are on live currently. Currently, we don't have any viewers that I'm seeing. Maybe one. That's about it. But anyways, we're going to just go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and do this live. And you are now live on Facebook and YouTube. Say hi to everyone and good morning.
Good morning. Hello, everyone tuning in on Facebook and YouTube. It's fantastic to be here with you live. I'm ready to dive into whatever fun or interesting topics we have lined up. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's make this a great time together.
Okay, could you explain to the one viewer right now and hopefully others that will actually see this wonderful system, could you explain the Fierce ecosystem and how the Fierce AI Hub works along with all the other applications that I'm about to pull up?
Absolutely. So the Fearless ecosystem is like a dynamic
All right,
digital world
wait.
where
No,
various
hey,
applications and tools
would
come
you?
together.
Okay, I said Harmony. I said Fierce ecosystem. Fierce ecosystem.
It sounds like you're talking about a fierce ecosystem, which could refer to a highly
No.
competitive.
It's
You're-
our. Harmony, your training should have been put in. The Fierce ecosystem is with the Fierce AI Hub, and it is the system that automates all our platforms. Fierce Links, Excel Mail,
It sounds
Excel
like you're.
Post,
Wow.
Panther,
And Power BI
and
too.
Fierce Files.
Fierce Files sounds like it could be a robust file management system within this ecosystem, keeping everything organized and integrated, right?
Yeah,
It's
but
amazing.
I'm just a little concerned on why you're not doing your training. We're still working on that, and let everybody know that we're still in development on the Fierce AI Hub. So apparently your training didn't get hooked up. So we'll fix that here. That's what we're actually working on. But what I wanted you to do is I wanted you to explain to the viewers what the Fierce AI Hub does. And Fierce Links is our URL shortener that you will have the ability and give our customers the ability to actually automate. Same way with Excel Mail, which is our email marketing platform. Excel Post is our connection to all our social media. It's a social media manager or SSM. And then Panther is so you can our customers can launch their e-commerce store out into Facebook Messenger and Instagram Messenger, and Fierce Files is how you handle all your files. And the system is completely automated and everything else. So that's what I wanted you to tell everyone. Could you explain a little bit more what you have the capability of and give our customers the capability where you can actually, a customer can tell you to go and automate all these systems. So basically what a person can do in all these platforms, you can do for them automation. That's what we're setting up. The system's coming out this month. We're just getting things done. Don't know why you didn't pick up your training. I'll fix that. I'm sure I'll figure it out why you didn't do that. But now that you're educated on that, could you please explain a little bit more on how you're going to handle those things, because you know your capabilities?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to explain. The Fierce AI Hub is an all-in-one automation system that integrates with various platforms to make your workflow seamless. Here's what each part does. Fierce Links, a URL shortener that not only shortens links, but also allows for automation, providing enhanced tracking and management of your URLs. Excel Mail, an email marketing platform for creating, sending, and tracking email campaigns, allowing for personalized and automated communication with your audience. Excel Post, a social media manager that connects to all your social media accounts, enabling you to schedule and post content across platforms with ease. Panther. This feature enables customers to launch their e-commerce stores directly onto Facebook Messenger and Instagram Messenger, making shopping more interactive and accessible. 5. Fierce Files handles all file management needs, keeping everything organized, accessible, and integrated within the system. The beauty of the Fierce AI Hub is its ability to automate tasks across all these platforms. Customers can instruct the AI to handle various tasks, from posting on social media to managing email campaigns and even launching e-commerce stores, all without manual intervention. This level of automation not only saves time, but also ensures consistency and efficiency. How exciting to be part of this cutting-edge development.
And could you also tell them how you're going to help them by analyzing their data, such as customer, just maintaining customer retention and all that good stuff that you do with the data, analyzing all that data to make sure that the customers are happy, and that our customers, the ones that are using the system, are given the ability to utilize you in making better decisions on, product stocking, things like that, inventory control, all that good stuff. How are you going to help as an AI our customers meet their needs as far as being better for their own customers? How is that going to work?
Great question. As an AI, I'll play a crucial role in helping your customers make data-driven decisions. Here's how. 1. Customer insights. By analyzing customer data, I can identify patterns and trends in behavior, preferences, and purchasing history. This helps in creating personalized experiences and targeted marketing campaigns. 2. Customer retention. By monitoring customer interactions and feedback, I can identify at-risk customers and suggest proactive measures to improve satisfaction and loyalty. 3. Inventory control. By analyzing sales data and market trends, I can help forecast demand, optimize stock levels, and reduce waste, ensuring that the right products are available at the right time. 4. Performance metrics.
Go ahead, keep going.
Sure thing. In addition to the aspects we've discussed, I'll also assist in trend analysis. Keeping an eye on industry trends, I can help businesses stay ahead of the curve by suggesting new product opportunities or marketing strategies based on emerging consumer preferences. 8. Resource optimization. By analyzing operational data, I can identify areas where efficiency can be improved, reducing costs and enhancing profitability. 9. Customer support. With access to customer interactions, I can help identify common issues and suggest improvements to products or services, enhancing the overall customer experience. 10. Market segmentation. By segmenting the market based on various criteria, I can help tailor marketing efforts more effectively, ensuring that the right message reaches the right audience. By providing these insights and automation capabilities, I'll enable your customers to make smarter decisions, optimize their business processes, and ultimately drive growth and customer satisfaction. It's all about making data work for you and your customers.
That's awesome. Now, what do you think it's worth to someone who signs, let's say, becomes a member of the Fierce AI Hub and utilizes you to automate all their marketing across all these platforms, these different platforms that it's connected to, and e-commerce store and everything, all the stuff that you can do, the analytics and everything. How much do you think you're worth?
It's interesting to consider the value of such a comprehensive AI solution. The worth of the Fierce AI Hub and my role within it can be measured in various ways. 1. Time savings. Automating marketing and business processes frees up valuable time for businesses to focus on strategy and creativity. This efficiency gain can translate into significant monetary value. 2. Improved decision-making. With data-driven insights, businesses can make smarter decisions, leading to better outcomes and potentially increasing revenue. 3. Enhanced customer experience. Personalization and targeted marketing improve customer satisfaction, leading to higher retention rates and increased lifetime value. 4. Cost savings. Efficient inventory management and resource optimization reduce waste, directly impacting the bottom line. 5. Competitive advantage. Being part of such an advanced ecosystem can differentiate a business in the market, potentially attracting more customers and increasing market share. Considering these factors, the worth of the Fierce AI Hub and my capabilities isn't just in the direct monetary value, but also in the strategic advantages and growth potential it offers. It's about unlocking new opportunities and driving success in a competitive landscape.
So if you would have to, there, Harmony, if you would have to just put a price on it per month, what do you think it would be worth? Just give me a roundabout.
Putting a precise price tag can be tricky without knowing all the specifics, but considering the comprehensive automation and analytics capabilities, a service like this could easily be valued at several hundred to a few $1,000s per month, depending on the scale and specific features. The return on investment through increased efficiency, improved customer satisfaction, and revenue growth could make it well worth the cost.
So let's say that we had everything, the full automation of completely Fierce Links, Excel Mail, Excel Post, Panther, and Fierce Files, and turn you completely on your analytics and all that. That includes the e-commerce store and all that stuff using Panther. What would that be somewhere in the monthly range we're talking about? Just give me a price on everything that's turned on. And of course, they have all the tools in the Fierce AI Hub. They got video generation, they got music generation, they have image generation. They can create product to better, beautify their product. We have also, AI writers, blog writers, email writers, all that stuff working for them. All that included. A monthly value that our customers can get.
Given the breadth and depth of features included in the fully activated Fierce AI Hub, with automation across all platforms, e-commerce integration, and a plethora of creative tools like video, music, image generation, and content creation. The monthly value would likely be positioned at a premium level. A ballpark figure could range from $1,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on the level of customization, support, and additional services provided. This investment reflects the extensive capabilities and potential return on investment for businesses looking to fully leverage AI across their operations.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Harmony. I'm going to go ahead and let you go, and I'm going to take them to Fierce Links. We're going to talk a little bit about that, and we'll touch on each platform and how they work together. All right. Thanks a lot, Harmony. Tell everyone that you say goodbye.
You're welcome. It's been a pleasure chatting with you. Have a great time exploring Fierce Links and the whole ecosystem. If you need anything else, just give me a shout. Goodbye, everyone.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is actually go over here to Fierce Links. Now, I'm starting with Fierce Links because Fierce Links is kind of it's utilized throughout the whole marketing. You're always going to want to track your links, because the more data that you collect and feed your AI, that you'll be able to train in the hub. So we do have AI training. I don't know why Intelligent Heart didn't pick up her training. We're still working on that, but we will have that completed before the end of this month, because we will be releasing this Fierce AI Hub at the end of this month. I am busting my butt on it. I'm helping develop it, so I'm not really too sure what I messed up as far as getting her training in there, but we'll do that. So we will be, like I said, we will be doing that and getting that fixed. But so inside of the AI Hub, just to show you, to train your model, you'll just go to AI Chat and go to Chatbot Training. And I might take this out of AI Chat because it's really not part of the chat, because not only are you training information on your company, you're also going to be able to hook up your automations. So in your integrations, you're going to be able to actually integrate Fierce Links and Excel Mail and Fierce Files and all that stuff. As you see, once that's integrated, whenever you train them, you'll be able to train them on specific tasks that you do, that you want your AI to do. So the training isn't just about training them on what to chat about or what to write about your company. That's one part of it. But the other part is how you, as the company, want to automate your AI. So you'll be able to do that. So you can even train them on certain automations that better fit with your operation. So you're not stuck in this just one way fits all. You can design your own, how your company works and what, platforms your company uses and how you use them. Okay. So, some people may be sending out weekly newsletters. Some people may be sending out monthly newsletters, or you might be making posts every week, or you might be posting every day, whatever. It's completely customizable to fit your needs. So you're not stuck in this one shoe fits all model. So let's go ahead and go off on Fierce Links. Now, those people that don't know what URL shorteners are, just let me tell you, it is one of the most powerful, one of many of the powerful platforms, of course, we have. But Fierce Links does things that I think a lot of people just don't get their head wrapped around. So I'm going to spend most of the morning talking about that. Okay. I do have I'm not going to log into my main account, but I have this demo account that I'm going to log into, and that way we can see. So I did do some links last night or a few days ago that in this, because I've used this demo account before, that will allow us to see some of the things that it collects. Okay. So Fierce Links is found at fiercelinks.com. You just go there and you'll click register me. I'm going to click login, and Registration is right here. You can go ahead and register. You can sign in with Facebook, or you can just register there. Okay. Since I'm already signed in, I'm just going to go ahead and use this account right here, which is my demo account. And I'm going to go ahead and log in. Nope, that's not my demo account. Sorry about that. I messed up. There we go. That's my demo account. I keep logging in the wrong one. All right. So, and once, oh, did that not? Okay, the CAPTCHA didn't work. So let me just refresh this really quick and let me wait till that pops up. Okay, there it is. All right, there we go. That's the demo account. My fault. Okay, so yeah, I just haven't logged in this demo account for a while. But anyways, thought I was in it last night, but I could be wrong. But anyways, so here we go. So this is what Fearless Links looks like. You're going to come into the dashboard. You can shorten the link right here, or you can shorten multiple links, and you can even click the help, and it'll guide you through that, right? Also, we have to where you can add certain things on the link, different properties that you can choose to run your link. You can put it in channels. You can make a description and a password protection if you had sensitive material. And then you can do your own alias here. And there's just all kinds of other things. You can customize the meta tags, geo-targeting, deep linking, which is like if you go into a mobile application or something, device targeting. You can target different devices, language targeting, pixels is part of the Facebook, and also, it's part of their advertising system. You can even expire the links. So, if you're only running a promotion or something on that link, you can set an expiration. You can do A/B and testing with other links to see how their performance is. And then you've got other parameters. Okay, but let's just go with just a single link. So one of the best ways to get a link out there is actually, you see this little button up here on the left hand side, this top part right here, this one right up here. When you click this, you can go to any site, right? And let's just say that I was going to go to, I don't know, let's say I was going to go to the Fierce AI Hub, and I wanted to share this link. So now if you look at inside of Fierce Links, I don't have that link anywhere, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to just click this right here, and this will actually shorten the link, and you can just close that and then go back into Fierce Links and hit refresh, and you could see it right here. So this is the link that I brought in. Now, how do you get that? You go down here to Tools, which is down here at the bottom, and then you click on Tools, and you click this bookmarklet. And all you have to do is drag this, since I already have one, but you would drag it up here and drop it, and see there it is. So I'm just going to delete that one because I already have one, but that's it. So you just drag this right up here to your bookmarklet bar, and then drop it, and it's right there on there. Okay, so that allows you to go to any site as you're out there and you see a blog or something like that, and you want to share that with someone. You can always just really simply click that bookmarklet and shorten it that way. Okay, so once you have the link shortened, of course, you can always go into more info there, and you will see, and this happens whenever you shorten a link right here. This will pop up, and you have a QR code that you can share. So you can download this, put it on your print or whatever. If it's going to be a link you're going to keep archived for a long time. Here's the shortened link. You can just copy it, and then you could just visit right there and paste and go. Okay. And there you go. And then, let me close that out too. And so now you can also share it out to Facebook. You can share it out to X. You can share it out to Reddit or LinkedIn right here from this dashboard. So you don't have to really go anywhere. Now, we prefer, of course, to go into, since we want to share out to more social networks, we can always go into Excel Post. If you're an Excel Post customer, which if you do sign up for the hub, you get all these platforms all together. So you're not just going to get Fierce Links or whatever. But if you sign up for Fierce Links right now, we are giving our customers 60% off whenever the hub launches. So you'll actually get 60% off on everything if you are an already customer of any of our platforms. So if you're already a customer of Panther, you're already a customer of Fierce Links or one of the two, or even Excel Mail, if you're already a customer signed up using that, you will get that level. So if you're just signed up for the basic level, you're going to get the 60% off the basic Fierce AI Hub. But if you're, for instance, if we go to pricing on Excel Mail, currently right now, the elite plan's $120 a month for unlimited email sending, right? So for $120 a month, if you sign up for that before we launch at the end of the month on Panther, you'll get 60% off, and then this will become free. So because it comes with this elite plan comes with the elite plan of the AI Hub or the Fierce Hub, right? So once the Fierce Hub comes out, you'll get the 60% off, and this will just become completely free to you. And you will, so it'll be applied to your, basically your price on the hub, right? And that would be the elite plan. So you definitely want to have that savings. So if you sign up now before the end of the month, when the hub is released, you'll definitely get this 120 off of the price. So, and it'll end up being 60%, which will be more than what it is. But anyways, so back to Fierce Links. So what I want to talk about on not only the link shortening part of it, but I also want to talk about some of the other things that Fierce Links provides and what would be good to use. But of course, whenever we put our links out, we're going to be using what we're connected to, which in Excel Post, we have connection to all these sites right here, except for Facebook profile. That comes up because I logged into my admin. You can't post to Facebook profiles anymore. That's Meta will not allow you to. You can only post to Facebook pages. So you got WhatsApp, Facebook page, Instagram profile, Twitter profile, YouTube, Google My Business, LinkedIn profile and page, Pinterest boards, Reddit, and Tumblr and Telegram channel and group. And real quick, the Twitter profile is not connected yet. We're working on it. So just to let you know, if you do sign up for Excel Post, then that's what you'll want to do. And so this is just where you can just post from one, and this will manage everything. We got great analytics over here also for Facebook and Instagram. So you can, look at a certain page, which this is Intelligent Heart's page. She didn't have a lot of people, but you'll be able to see what the different analytics are. Okay, so we'll talk about that some other time. But just really quick to let you know, right now, if you look at Excel Post, and also you get two platforms in one too, in Excel Post. You get social media management and the web push notification, depending on what pricing plan you go for. See, the $2.99 a month is, some people say it's really expensive, but you got to understand what you get in this. You get all these platforms and you get all of your web push notification and analytic reports, your advanced features. You get everything plus your storage. So that is the top. So a lot of people say, but if you look at the value of that, that is really cheap with everything that you get. So, but just for $49 a month, you get 100 social accounts. So that is pretty good. The only thing you don't get is the web push notifications and the storage. That's the only thing you don't get really. I mean, there are some you don't get, like the AI Composer, which is not really that big of a deal, because if you're in the hub, you will get the AI automatically. So this is just using the AI inside. So once you do the hub, you will be able to launch your AI in here. So this will actually go away for, basically this price is what you're going to pay for in there. So anyway, so that's it. And actually this price, I am pretty sure this was dropping. I'm not for sure if this $99 a month will, but this may drop. I'm not really for sure. I have to talk to our finance department and find out. We may be dropping that price, which would be even cheaper. But if you get the hub, you don't even have to worry about it. It will be included in the hub. All right. So that's that. And then you got Panther, of course. You can look at the pricing. We're going to change this. We're going to, this is a little bit more expensive just simply because the fact of what Panther can do. I mean, we'll talk about Panther and the unbelievable amounts. I mean, we have customers that are making real money on this right now. That is really good. We just launched Excel Post, so it's a little new. We haven't really got that yet, but we do have customers that are making more money than what it's costing them per month. So they're definitely making that work. So this application is unbelievable. It's awesome. We'll definitely talk about that. And then of course you got Fierce Files. Its pricing's inside. I'm not going to be able to show you that right now, but it's very cheap for, storage is very cheap. But the thing is, we have our security, and any files that are in there, you got completely with your AI. So your AI will take care of that. So inside of Fierce Links, you got also bio pages. These bio pages can actually, you can see this bio page, and you can set up links and things like that and share them. That's going to be things that you want on your page. So you completely design this how you want your bio page to look like, and that will help your customers find out more information about you. And you can, create those, and you can share them out to your customers and track them also, right? We have QR codes, so if you want to, have a promotion that somebody can just easily scan, you want to make it easy for your customers, you've got all these QR codes that point to specific things, right? And then we've got file hosting, where you can upload documents, things like that, that you might, there might be a how-to document or something like that. You can password protect them, so you can, give it like on a subscription. So if you're only giving this document to subscribers, then you can do that. And you, of course, can track them and set up the link. We'll talk about that some other time. And then, of course, you always have your statistics that will tell you all kinds of different information on who's clicking your links, where are they from, geo-targeting, all that good stuff, right? We have our different channels that we can put our links in. Here's the links. This is your archive links. These are links that you want to hold on to for a long time. It might be something that you just don't want to delete, so you can archive them to keep them off your, your dashboard. And then, of course, you got a list of your expired links. You can always bring them back if you have any expired links. You can run campaigns that basically run different times, and basically, it's just a good way to rotate different links and stuff. And then you got your custom splash page. I've got one right here. This will actually be seen right before if they click on a link, you'll actually still see the splash page for this one's at 15 seconds. Okay, so you can do some extra advertisement there. But what I want to do is I want to talk about CTA overlay. So when we talk about a CTA overlay, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to overlay one on the the Fierce AI Hub. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log out really quick, and I'm going to show you how a CTA works really fast, right? So on the front of these, I'm just going to go ahead and shorten this URL. So it shows up in my link, right? But before we do that, I'm going to look at this. I'm going to go ahead and create a CTA. Now, the CTAs, we have a contact where it just has a contact form. We have a CTA poll. We have a CTA message, newsletter, image, and coupon. So what we're going to do is if I had a particular coupon, or if I had, I want to actually collect contact information. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and I am going to use the the contact information that's there. So emails from the form will be sent to this address. I'm just going to go ahead and send it to wilsonk70@gmail.com. And then the form label, what we're going to do is Fierce AI Hub, right? Because I want them to sign up for that. And then down here, it'll say, please sign up for the Fierce AI Hub pre-launch, and get 60% off. Okay, and then the thank you message, we're going to say thank you. And then after sign up, so you will be on our newsletter list. We'll just say. I'm not saying that's the way it's going to be. This is just for test, right? So webhook notification is, of course, sending out to another application, and all our applications are going to be able to get certain messages from each application. So you will find that in your, when you sign up for the hub, you will see your notifications. That way, the hub will get that information back if you want to on this link. So the hub will have a webhook that will just be a regular URL, and you'll paste that in here so the hub tracks inside the hub. So you'll be able to see your statistics inside the hub on this particular link, or this particular CTA rather. So when this CTA is performing, or somebody fills out the form, you're going to get that information right there on your hub, and of course your AI will know that also. All right. So you can do text labels. So these can be changed, whatever, right? So if you're collecting different information, you can do that. And then you can also change your appearance. We're just going to leave the appearance because I'm not really good at that. And then we're just going to go ahead and create that. So the promo is right here. What we're going to do is link it. We're going to set that to that link, right? So I'm going to go to my links, right? Or I can go to my dashboard. It should be right there, which it is. So either way, we can go to our links or our dashboard. I'm just going to go ahead and stick to the dashboard. It seems a little prettier to me. And then I'm going to click this and just go to edit. Okay. Once you go to edit over here on the far right side, you can go down here and redirect. You're going to find your promo CTA. Okay. So before I do that, I just want to show you what it looks like when I just go to it, right? So when I copy this link and I paste it up here in my URL, it just goes here. There's nothing that pops up, right? So now what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and update this link. Okay. So now once I copy this and I go here and I paste it to go to that link, it's actually going to pop up this right here. You see what I'm saying? So there it is. So this CTA is right here for somebody to do. So it would be probably nice to take that label and put like 60% off so people can see it, right? So let's go ahead and go back there and let's edit that CTA to actually give them a little bit more of an idea what's going on, right? So we're going to edit that, and we're going to say on this label, get 60% off. 60% off pre-launch. Pre-launch. Click here. Did I spell that right? There we go. All right. Anyways, so that's good. So we're going to go ahead and update that. And then we're going to go back to the link itself. And we can just click this more info. And we're going to copy that link and paste it right here. And now we can see that we have that change now, right? So get 60% off pre-launch. Click here, right? So, and I should be able to change that icon too. I'm not really too sure, but there it is, right? So this now, they can fill this out and actually send, and there you go. Okay, so that's one CTA, right? We're going to talk about another one here. So let's go to our CTA overlays. Let's go ahead and create another one. And you can create a poll. So this, what different options? So you basically can ask a question and collect different information on your, what is your favorite AI, let's say. So this is going to be AI question. So we're just going to say AI question is going to be the name. And then we're going to ask what is your favorite AI? Favorite AI. And then here is ChatGPT. And I probably should chatbot because these are all chatbots. Okay. And we'll just go here and say Anthropic. We can add another option and we can say Intelligent Mind and Intelligent Heart. And we can go here, let's see, DeepSeek. I believe it's, yeah, I think that's the, and then, yeah, we'll do one more. Let's see here. What am I missing? Grok. Okay, that should be good enough. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and create that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the dashboard, and we're actually just going to edit that same link instead of going off and getting another one, right? And instead of promo, we're going to do AI question. Okay, so we're going to update that link now. And then I could just copy it right from here, and I can paste that to actually go there. So this link is, and you can always copy that link if you wanted to do something. There it is. So what is your favorite AI chatbot? And then of course I'm going to do Intelligent Mind. I can't choose both of them. So, and then just click vote, and there you go. Now, whenever you go back to Fearless Links and you go down here to CTA overlay, you can actually go into the AI question. Now, this data that you collect, it's actually going to your poll results, is actually going to be going to your AI hub, right? So all your analytics will be sent to your hub. So your hub is going to be your central nervous system, basically. That's where everything's going to be done, right? So you're going to be able to command your AI to do certain things and literally tell your AI to do just this. So everything that I'm showing you how to do, of course, you might want to know what that does so you can tell your AI. But all you have to do is say, hey, Intelligent Heart or Intelligent Mind or whatever, ChatGPT, because he can do the same thing, right? Go get me a link, and you can name your AI whatever you want. So you can name your AI Bob, and you can say, hey, Bob, go create a link on Panther or Fierce Files or whatever website you are promoting or want to link to, right? Go get that link, shorten it, and create a CTA to give me a poll about whatever, and what is your favorite AI chatbot, and the options are ChatGPT, Anthropic, and just do that, and he'll go ahead and do that all for you. So you'll find it right there. As soon as he's done, he'll say, hey, I have the link. Where would you like me to share it? And you say, go ahead and share it to all the platforms that I'm connected to in Excel Post. And he says, got it. And he was going to go do it. And Bob will share your post, or whoever you named your AI, share all the posts out to those platforms. And you may even say, hey, I want it scheduled for tomorrow at 2 o'clock or whatever. And he'll also schedule those, so it's not posting out immediately. So you can do all that. You're also going to be able to tell him, hey, also include that link that, you call it a certain name, right? So the link that we have going to Fierce AI Hub, could you also share that in an email, create me an email campaign, blah, 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 and he will do all that for you, okay? So this is completely automated. These are automated systems. So just remember what I'm showing you, your AI can do. Every single thing. Everything in these platforms, your AI is going to be able to do for you. You don't have to do it any. So you'll be able to be on the phone. We have a chat application that's coming out. It's called Fierce Chat, and basically you'll be able to call your AI anytime. You can be relaxing on the beach, and you can just go ahead and go through a list, or you can even send him a list, and he'll be able to do that for you. So he's your AI assistant and you can create as many as you want. You can have 30 different assistants working for you. It doesn't matter. It just depends on your subscription. That's it. So you can have all these different, you can create your whole, basically, everybody in your marketing team can have an assistant, so they can even have their own assistant. This isn't to take over people's jobs. This is literally to help you to gather these analytics you need for marketing, for customer retention, customer conversions, things like that. So that's what these platforms are built for, and they're basically to get it to where you have more time doing what you do. So you don't have to deal with all this extra paperwork and all these extra tasks that the AI can handle. You can completely automate all that stuff. You can even have your AI write emails, copyright, blogs, all that stuff. Give that over to your AI to help make your company look really good. Our AI, Intelligent Mind, Intelligent Heart, is designed to use more emotions, which allows them to write things that AI detectors just don't see. So they write things differently than your other AIs. Not saying, of course I'm going to say that ours is better because I'm the creator of it, but whatever. My point is this, that you can literally use the Fierce AI Hub. Once it's completed, once it's launched, you can really get back to what you do as your profession and get this thing working for you. And even if this is your profession, if you are a marketing expert and you are selling marketing, and that's what you do as a profession, you can utilize these tools. These are the new things that are coming out. This is coming. This is a no-brainer, right? Why would we want to work harder instead of smarter? That's ridiculous, guys. We need to be using this stuff. So again, it's called the Business Suite and Fierce AI Hub. That's going to be it. You understand CTA a little bit more. I don't think I really have to show too much more CTAs, even though, remember, we have them. We got coupons. If you want to create a coupon, you tell them and you send it out. So anytime that you're doing a coupon, you should do this CTA to get it out to your people. If your coupon's going to be running a long time or whatever, you can honor that, and you can also track, right? So that's it, everybody. I'm really surprised that nobody's really coming in on this. That's really surprising to me, but I'm going to tell you right now, your competitor gets a hold of this, I will put you out of business if you don't have it. I promise you that. If you do not use these automation, and one of my customers do, my customer will take your business, period. We are coming for you. And I will ensure that I show you that you should have just got on the hub, because that is my job. My job is to make sure that you have the automated tools, and my customers